I've been working with heritage restoration for over 2 decades and keeping it alive and constantly revitalizing it. But if I were to build a new building, would I build it like this? Would I want it to last for hundreds of years? This was a question which was burning in my head, and when the opportunity arose to create a new space, I thought I should create something which should not leave a footprint. And how can the old space be constantly repurposed? Why can you not create such a space that can be dismantled, reutilized or recycled? So with this idea, I've been toying with prefabricated buildings. Using technology in a manner which perhaps a human mind cannot is quite exciting. One should not be restricted by form. Form should follow function. The idea of beauty and space is something that you adapt to and you create based on specific requirements rather than be stuck with the legacy materials as we are just now. Rectangular materials and linear shapes. Another inspiration to me has been Buckminster Fuller, whose geodesic dome was built in Ahmedabad by my uncle. It uses the laws of geometry, and rather than working against gravity, it uses gravity to lock in modules of a cellular structure. There is no need for a separate structure and a separate skin, as the skin itself is structural. With this idea, and the idea that the space should be permanently impermanent, I approached the architect to create a cellular structure using geometry and triangulation. That's how the new Darwin Bucky came about.
What came out of this entire process of digital exploration, fabrication, and also a lot of input and patience is a very interesting self-standing structure which has a very minimal footprint when it comes to the material used, when it comes to the weight of it, because that also helps us not to have a foundation and be able to place it on any flat surface available anywhere.
Darwin Bucky is a spectacular faceted dome structure made entirely out of 1 mm metal sheet. It can be easily recycled. The beauty of this building is that it can fit into a container and can be shipped to some place. You can assemble or dismantle it within weeks.
What we have been able to successfully achieve is a process of designing where at any point now we can increase the size of the gallery, decrease the size of the gallery digitally with a new purpose, use and size without going back completely onto our drawing boards.
Darwin Bucky can be used as a gallery, it can be used as an exhibition space, performance space, even as a nightclub or a bar. So I think it has a multifunctional facility. It's a black box basically. I am hoping that this idea of permanently impermanent buildings can be extended to other forms of building. Each successive experiment, we improve on certain issues because essentially you're not doing architecture, you're doing product design.